Welcome to this tutorial on how to use a contactless card for the first time. A contactless card is a type of payment card that allows you to make transactions without the need to insert your card into a machine or sign a receipt. It uses radio frequency identification technology to communicate with the payment terminal. To start using your contactless card, first make sure it has the contactless symbol on it, which looks like 4 concentric circles. This symbol indicates that your card is enabled for contactless payments. Next, check the spending limit for contactless transactions, which is usually around $30 to $50, depending on the bank and the country you are in. To make a payment, simply hold your card close to the contactless payment terminal, usually within a few inches. The terminal will beep or flash to indicate that the payment has been processed. You do not need to enter your PIN or sign a receipt for transactions under the spending limit. For transactions over the spending limit, you will need to insert your card into the machine and enter your PIN as usual. It is also important to note that you should only hold one contactless card near the payment terminal at a time, as this can help prevent accidental payments or errors. To keep your contactless card secure, make sure to keep it in a safe place and do not leave it unattended. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. If you lose your card or it is stolen, report it to your bank immediately so they can cancel it and issue a new one. In addition to the convenience and speed of contactless payments, many banks also offer additional security features, such as zero liability protection, which means you will not be held responsible for any unauthorized transactions. Contactless cards are widely accepted at many merchants, including grocery stores, restaurants, and public transportation systems. In summary, using a contactless card is a quick and easy way to make payments. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can enjoy the benefits of contactless payments while keeping your account secure. Remember to always check the spending limit, keep your card safe, and monitor your account activity to get the most out of your contactless card.